Hey guys, wanted to review a trade I had in CVX on Friday. So let's get into the review. So, as you guys know, as of late, if you've been watching my videos, you've known that XLE, so energy sector, and XLU utilities have both been strong sectors as of late. So if we look at the daily here on XLE, you can see, we've been holding steady above that 21 and kind of slowly melting up towards the 80.22 mark, which would be that all-time high for the energy sector. But we've shown strength. We had a pin bar off of that 21 on Thursday, so I assumed Friday was going to be a decently strong day and possibly break through the that $80 mark. So that was what it looked like for the XLE sector. Now, if we go into the stock with CVX, CVX was definitely one of those stronger stocks within the sector. And we can see on the daily chart, it has been squeezing and we have buying pressure coming in, and is holding above the 21. But one thing that definitely had me interested in playing this stock on Friday was we were squeezing and we were actually breaking out of the squeeze. So going into Friday, we had already started breaking out of that squeeze, that 4 hour squeeze. So you definitely, when you see this, especially in pre-market, post-market, pre-market, you can probably more than likely expect that pop first thing in the morning. And you can see we had on the 4 hour at 168 and some change was probably a level of resistance. So once it broke through that level with some strength, you could expect a pop up towards that 173 level possibly. And let me zoom back out. You can see we had a few touches here on the 4 hour level. That's why I marked that 168 level as a key resistance level for CVX. So now, if we go into the 5 minute chart, you can see how things played out here. So if we look at XLE, CVX, and SPY, as SPY was dropping, definitely money has been being rotated into XLU and XLE. So I just kind of wanted to show you these 5 minute charts together to see how this played out. So as SPY was dumping, you can see here XLE was in a tight range on the 5 minute and opened and then showed strength right away with a long igniting bar, right? Long, strong, bullish bar. And you can see CVX followed as well. So since it was breaking out of the 4 hour squeeze, it definitely had a good opening level play. I ended up entering about right here on the play, and then I ended up getting out about halfway up that mark. So this was literally a minute trade. I think I got in at 7:35. I got filled at 7:36 and got out at 7:37 for a 20% return to start my Friday off. So that was a setup. Had a nice little 20% return, and wish I definitely would have got in around here on that break 168. But I usually don't trade that first 5 minute candle. So I was kind of sticking to my rules on this one, and ended up getting in on the second candle once it had held above that mark. So with that being said, hopefully you guys had a good trading week. Hopefully you mitigated risk, took A plus setups, and grew your account. And with that being said, get your study on over the weekend and get ready for next week. And I will talk with you guys later.